Hashtag no excuses, just clouds. Hashtag CCI. What's up, everybody? Messed with my build a little bit. I wanted to try it a little differently. This is point 3. It's pretty well stagnant outside right now, but we'll find out. I thought you couldn't blow clouds with a 26-650. I thought that wasn't possible. I thought you couldn't blow giant clouds if you weren't super sub-ohming. I don't get it. I mean, it doesn't really start putting out until you put your mouth on it. I mean, it's a life lesson, really. Right? I tell people all the time, loud pipes save lives. You know what people tell me? Loud pipes on motorcycles don't save lives. And all I can think about is, you're an advocate for something. You're telling me about it. Loud pipes save lives? You know, cancer research and everything like that. I don't really understand why people don't think for themselves. They only think like everyone. They think like everyone else. I don't get it. I just don't get it. You know, this is point 3. This is point 3. Once I dominate this one, I mean, I'm gonna move to something crazier. I mean, what if this was point 0.03? I mean, this is what it does. Point 3. .3. I keep iterating this because I want people to get it out of their head that it's only possible if some idiot on the internet says it. Okay? I'm not an internet idiot. I read books. I gotta try and get the camera unblocked by the clouds. Let's try and go this way, right? Green meter, CCI. You know. Eddie, top down. Kurt, I apologize. I didn't take advantage of your sale. Didn't have any money in my bank account. I'll probably just pick up some bottles anyways, because I don't give a shit. You know. Hashtag CCI. Rafflecopters. I can get way better, people. It's the wave of the future. Okay? A point 3 that puts out like this. I'm not super drowning it like usual. I'm just putting in enough. But it's really not enough. I mean, these coils like to be drowned. Okay? It's not very much that you could say that about a coil. That the coil wanted to be like in actual like submersion. But the way this works, I mean, it's just perfect. This is a Stellaire, by the way. A 3-post 26650 Stellaire. Edward, Grandpappy, Kurt, Hightower, Emily, LaForest, Ivy, all you guys. Lucas, you know, keep blowing those clouds. Let's see more of them. Everybody needs to encourage other people to just stop talking on their phone or stop text messaging or whatever. Just put your phone down. Turn it on to camera. Okay? Hit the button and take a video. You know, start out with an intro video. That'd be awesome. You know, a little bit about yourself. And then blow some clouds for everybody. It's not that hard. It's all I do. I've got an iPhone 4. I wish I had a newer camera. My little brother's phone is way better. But that's all you need to do. You know? Throw some e-liquid into your mod. Or into your Addy. Not your mod. Don't do that. That's not safe to vape. And go for it. Okay? It doesn't matter. It's the internet. People are assholes. But the individuals that are going to pay attention to your video, like me and a host of other guys that do firebacks and actually have constructive criticism and, you know, stuff like that, post a video. We can help you. Trust me, you should be blowing train clouds like me. Hashtag shots fired, clouds down. 0.3 ohm build, 26650, empty 30 amp battery in a Stellaire clone with a drip tip. Have a good night.